Dear students, we are coming to addition reactions. Addition reactions are given by unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, due to presence of double bond, able to add hydrogen in presence of catalyst. So what do unsaturated hydrocarbons do? They add hydrogen in presence of catalyst such as palladium or nickel. Students, these metals, transition metals, are used as catalyst. Reason you will be studying in higher classes why these transition metals are only used as catalyst over here. So unsaturated hydrocarbons add hydrogen in presence of catalysts such as palladium or nickel to get saturated hydrocarbons. That means double or triple bond gets converted into single bond, carbon-carbon single bond. Catalysts are substances that cause a reaction to occur or proceed at a different rate without the reaction itself being affected. Students, this is a good definition about catalyst. You must read it again and again. Catalysts are substances that cause a reaction to occur or proceed at a different rate without the reaction itself being affected. This reaction is commonly used in the hydrogenation of vegetable oils. Okay, hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. So addition of hydrogen is done in presence of catalysts like palladium or nickel to vegetable oils, and the vegetable oil gets converted into vegetable ghee. Okay, so this reaction is commonly used in the hydrogenation of vegetable oils using a nickel catalyst. Vegetable oils generally have long unsaturated hydrocarbons chain, while animal fat have saturated carbon chains. See here, unsaturation is present, double bond is present. So out of this, the weaker bond will break and it will add hydrogen, nickel catalyst, isn't it? In presence of nickel catalyst, and got converted into saturated compound. Students, unsaturated compounds add halogens also, like bromine, isn't it? So those reactions also you will be writing later. Coming to substitution reactions, saturated hydrocarbons are fairly unreactive and are inert in presence of most reagents. So students, saturated hydrocarbons, they are unreactive because what happens in saturated hydrocarbons? Single bonds are present. There is no double bond which can break and add anything. Hence, they do not show addition reactions. Instead, they show substitution reactions. In presence of sunlight, chlorine is added to hydrocarbons in a very fast reactions. Chlorine can replace, students, chlorine can replace the hydrogen atoms one by one. It is called a substitution reaction because one type of atom or a group of atoms takes the place of another. A number of products are usually formed with the higher homologues of alkanes. See, the reaction is mentioned here. Methane molecule is reacting with chlorine in presence of ultraviolet radiation, and it forms monochloromethane with liberation of HCl. Students, here the spelling of chlorine should be CHLORINE. Thank you.